Hello, so my name is Lily Simpson, or Lillian, and I am an art education major, and the purpose of my lesson is to teach students about the elements of art. So the elements of art are the building blocks of art, and how we use them to make art is important. So by teaching them the elements of art, they're learning the necessary vocabulary to talk about artwork and critique artwork, as well as to justify their own artwork and how they made it, the choices they made while making their own work. And it's important to learn the elements of art before you further your art education, because they will be called upon in most classes in the future. I hope that the students will learn the necessary vocabulary to talk about it, and really just be able to see in artworks that they are viewing how the elements are used. To be able to look at a famous artwork and see where the artist uses line, or how they used colors, what color schemes did they use, and how were they trying to evoke an emotion with those. And the lesson also is formatted in a way where it allows them to talk about art to their peers. So I really want them to be able to communicate with each other about art, about artworks, and be able to share their opinions about how these artists made their artworks. This would also leak into other classes of history and English. I know that a lot of times in history you'll look at famous artworks because they are a big part of history. And so if you know about the elements of art, you can see them in those famous artworks and see how they connect to the purpose of the artwork in their other classes. So really just an all-around knowing the building blocks and being able to communicate about them. I did this lesson for middle school age because I would like to teach in elementary school or middle school classroom setting. So that's really my passion. I was inspired by my elementary school art teacher to become an art teacher. So that's really my career aspirations, is just to be an art teacher and teach children about art, and the elements of art are a very important part of that.